Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is focused on my mobile robot discovery based on the TXT controller, entirely made of fischertechnik and programmed in Python, controlled by Wi-Fi. Using two front sensors for touching, active sonar and USB camera for grabbing images. And this is actually an after convention video. This is the first time I use it after conventions of Schoonhoven and Sinsheim, and there's some reconstruction to do. So let's get started. With a different camera for the screencast, but same angle. The reconstruction I was talking about is the rear, because this is way too flexible. There has to be a little fixing here. But once that has been completed, it is still too flexible here. And you can really notice when I have the battery packs in here, then it just goes down. And I don't want that. So the question is, should I improve this construction? Or should I go for two wheels here and two wheels here? And for that, I got an idea by reading the old-fashioned paper construction manual for the original Discovery set, and came up with this construction, which is an adaptation of the original version. So it comes down to this. And this is not too robust either, but it's a start. And looking at it, it can have some more ideas, but it has disadvantages as well, because this is obviously, they're pivoting, just like this one, but the whole construction is not very robust. And in the original drawing, it's much longer, and it has some construction where it is really set vertical, which is missing here. And if you look at it from the side, then this is obviously not very robust construction. So I should as well take a look at this one, see if I can make it more robust. Because when I thought about this at first, it looked a nice idea. But this needs improvement, and this can be improved. So let's see how that ends up. And after some observation, reconstruction can be quite easy actually. Let me remove this part. This will go up here. For that, I'll have to remove this. Then this will slide in here, but first put this vertical piece here. And now make sure that this one goes in here. And now there's hardly any chance that it goes wrong. That said, it already goes wrong because the distance is not equal. I have to make sure that here will be an extra connecting piece. Because now, as you can see, this is wider than this. So I may take out one of the things here. Now it's the same height. This should be better. And then this whole piece can go as well for now. This is obviously not stable yet, but the question is this necessary? Might be supportive. But this construction is much more stable. And that's good. For some testing, that's a good idea. The robot has been put on the ground, and as you can see, several terminals has been activated. Code, execution, and on the laptop for displaying the images. The Robot Pro to test if everything is functional, which it is. Let's execute and see whatever happens. Does it drive in a straight line? Pressing enter for executing the code. Waiting for the camera to connect, 2.5 seconds. And the sound of the blue fan let's do red. Images being copied, but it doesn't drive, and I want it to drive. Now it goes. And that's unfortunate because I think that was not on camera, but it did drive in a straight code with all the LEDs blinking. So let's do it again. And this time I'll put the camera somewhere here with the robot here. Let's see if we can repeat it in some way, hopefully. Yeah, I can't keep the camera straight because it's a very flexible construction. This may be a better solution. Once more. And then probably it won't behave the same way. But that's not despair. And it drove in a straight line, exactly as I wanted. and that's very nice. And obviously you see that I used a AC adapter instead of the battery packs, but the battery packs would be depleted by now. And this is the kind of behavior I more or less want. Better would be if it drove straight away, but for that I'll really have to adjust the algorithm. And that's a way in progress. Anyway, it drives nicely. Nice reconstruction. The side wheels still considered. And well, first we'll see. And just to make things complete, this is this image, which is a nice one, although it is quite blacked out here for some reason, and everything is really red. But at least this works, and yellow and green to be, well, continued in the future. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter or X and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by joining me on Patreon. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.